subscribe to our channel.
Relieve allergies with 7 natural antihistamines. Allergies are your immune system's response to external agents such as pollen or mites. They trigger the production of a protein known as histamine, which is the leading cause of symptoms such as nasal congestion, sneezing, itching, and more. While this isn't the only factor that triggers such reactions, consuming natural antihistamines can provide a partial solution for all your discomfort. You can obtain a variety of formulations and brands in pharmacies, while others are only offered by prescription. To avoid having to resort to these medications, however, nature offers you some healthier alternatives that have similar effects. Are you interested to find out what they are? 1. Green tea. In addition to being one of the best weight loss supplements, green tea is considered to also be one of the best natural antihistamines. This is thanks to its significant contribution of quercetin and catechin, 2 substances that act as antioxidants to decrease the release of histamine. 2. Nettle tea. Nettle tea is another natural remedy to help you quickly control your allergy symptoms. Its properties decrease the presence of allergens in your airways and relieve congestion. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has anti-inflammatory, antiviral substances and natural antihistamines that effectively combat discomfort related to allergies. It's recommended for seasonal allergies and respiratory problems related to colds. 4. Rooibos tea. Rooibos tea, also known as African red tea, is a beverage with natural antihistamines that slows down congestion and alleviates a burning or itchy throat. Because it's 100% natural, it won't cause drowsiness like many of the medications that are prescribed for the same purpose. 5. Plain yogurt. The live cultures and natural antihistamines found in plain yogurt help improve your bacterial flora and strengthen the function of your immune system. Substances such as Lactobacillus acidophilus and bifidus have been linked to a decreased risk of allergies. 6. Alfalfa tea. Drinking alfalfa tea can help alleviate that burning sensation in the eyes and excess mucus in the nose. Drink this tea once a day. 7. Ginkgo biloba tea. Ginkgo biloba tea contains substances called ginkolaids whose anti-allergenic effect decreases excess mucus and itchy eyes. The natural antihistamines present help relieve these side effects. How do you make it? Place the ginkgo biloba in a saucepan with water and heat over low heat until it boils. Remove it from the heat, pour it through a strainer, and drink 2 cups a day. Any of the remedies listed here may serve to soothe the uncomfortable symptoms of allergies. However, it should be mentioned that several should not be taken at the same time as they could have negative side effects. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.